So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Gemini API to N8N. So firstly, open your N8N workspace. Look at the navigation menu, then click the plus add icon. And then select Credentials to open your secure integration vault. In the credentials search bar, type Google Gemini API and select it from the list of available integrations. Click Continue to open the configuration panel and locate the API key input field in the configuration window. Paste it from Google AI Studio directly into this box. Now click the Save button, and N8N will immediately ping the Google servers to verify your authorization. Look for a green pop-up confirming that the connection tested successfully. Once you see that, you can click Close. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.